Hello friends, welcome back to Technique. Today we'll be talking about the Magic OS 8. So Magic OS is Honor's custom UI on top of Android, and we have the newly launched Honor 200 Pro launched in India, and this device comes in just one variant, 12GB RAM and 512GB storage, and this device comes with Android 14 out of the box, and it will get 2 years of Android updates and 3 years of security patches. Now this device also comes with Magic OS 8.0, so that's the latest version. So let's just show you the about phone. So about device, you can see here Magic OS 8.0, Honor 200 Pro, and this is Android version 14 and Magic OS 8. So in this video we'll be talking about how good the Magic OS is, what all features it offers, and what all UI experiences it offers. So let's begin. So before that, if this is your first time on this channel, do hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos we publish. So let's first have a look at the notification toggle. So swiping up from the top, you can see the notification toggle. So network connections, then the airplane mode, everything is arranged neatly, so you can go to the edit mode. If you swipe from the top, you can see here all the options. So we have plenty of options here. Everything can be controlled from the notification toggle. You get the option to edit the controls, so you can edit shortcut switch and then go to the settings. So the control center is quite good actually. It offers plenty of options to customize. Then if you go to the home screen, you have the wallpaper, cards. Then cards are basically widgets. You can go and customize different cards. There are some AI suggestions here for home screen adding cards. Then you get the regular set of classic widgets as well. So these are the options. Then you get the home screen. You can select the layout, icon swipe, then swipe down, you can go with the Honor search. So all these things are there. So generally what you see on customization front, those things are included here. Now going to the settings menu, you can see the items are grouped here. So these are basically network connections. Then we have the home screen style options here, display and brightness. So you can see here auto switch. Then we have the ebook mode available. Oasis eye protection is also included. So you can see here eye comfort display. So there are plenty of options. Dynamic dimming, 3840 Hz ultra frequency PWM dimming is also included here. So it's one of those displays which has a really good experience. Eye comfort mode is actually very good here and well implemented on this device. Then you get the font settings option to customize, smart resolution, then screen refresh rate. You can select a dynamic or you can go with 120 Hz and set the maximum value. Video enhancer is also included. You can improve the video quality. So going to the next option, notification and status bar, you can see here the Magic Capsule. Now Magic Capsule is this top capsule. Now this is available for recording, media playback and clock. So just minimize, and if you just tap here, you can see here. So this is how the Magic Capsule works. It works for recording and media playback. Then going back, you can see that option for battery settings. So you can see a performance mode, power saving mode, ultra power saving mode. There's also wireless reverse charging, so you can charge any other device using this device using wireless charging. Then battery settings, you have the smart charger option, then smart battery capacity as well. So additional options to preserve the battery capacity. This is actually using a silicon carbon battery. The built-in silicon carbon battery employs a silicon carbon negative electrode material, ensures high energy density without sacrificing on the thinness of the battery. So that's another important thing. Then let's go to the customization here, home screen and style. Now the lock screen customization is there. Obviously you can customize the home screen layout or what all. If you want, you can add it here. Then you get the always on display. Now the always on display is something interesting because if you enable it, you have two different options. Now you can see a full screen always on display and the partial screen always on display. Now let's show the full screen always on display. Just turning the screen. So this is the full screen always on display. You can still see all the options. Now this will consume more battery obviously. Now the other option is the partial lock screen. So if you select the partial lock screen, you can customize there with images. So there are plenty of options, and you can select the graffiti here, artist. You can go with analog options, digital clock. You can also add your own AOD and you can download additional options. So there are plenty of options to customize if you're going with a the full screen or the partial screen mode. So full screen we have limited options, but for partial screen you have plenty of options. Then tap or swipe to wake, then you can set the wallpaper and the other option. So always on display is really good. Then magazine unlock, obviously you get plenty of lock screen wallpapers. Then you can customize the font, so there are plenty of options here. You can download additional fonts whichever you like and apply it here. Then we have theme support. Again, there are more themes. You can download themes, customize it here. There are some classic themes available here as well. Then icons. Now you can select the icons here. So these are the options right now available. You can get more icons as well, and then customize these icons based on which icons you want. So just pressing this, you can see that now I'm applying the icon style. So these are the options available. So these are customization options. Then home screen settings, if you want the drawer or the standard mode, you can select it here. Then home screen settings we already discussed. Then lock screen signature can also be set here. So these are the options in the home screen and style customizations. Then let's go to the assistant here. We have a lot of AI suggestions here. So you can see here AI suggestions, app based suggestions, you can enable it here. Then magic text, you can tap the icon for a quick extraction of text from image. So if you want to extract images or text from images, you can use the magic text option. Then magic portal, after activating magic portal, you can just drag and hold the image and activate magic portal and drag and drop to any app for quick operation. So that's something which is pretty good. Then you have smart sensing and AI gestures included. So these are some options available in the assistant. Then you also get additional options. The AI tools are also included here. So those things are available across all the devices. So we are not going in depth about this. Then going to system, we have the device clone option. You can clone the device. Simple mode and ride mode. Ride mode is basically when you're riding a bike. Ride mode is pretty important. The simple mode makes the icons much simpler for usage. So these are options available. You can also clone the device from here. So these are some of the options in the settings. Now going to the app settings, you can see here app drawer looks pretty neat, and you can see all the apps are arranged here. Then if you go here, you also get the security option. These are the Honor apps, and you can see the system manager. We have cleanup, data usage, blocked calls, battery options, and then you can optimize it with the system manager. So these are options available in the Magic OS. So Magic OS looks very smooth actually, and looks really interesting OS to try out. These are on top of Android 14, and this is the latest version of Magic OS, which is released by Honor globally. So that is how the Magic OS looks like. Now also let's look at the memory management. So this is how the memory management works up. So you can see here memory management. Then the camera UI. So you can see here, this is the camera UI, and here we have additional options. Going to settings, so these are the options available. You can select the resolution, either of 21:9, 16:9. Then you can select the resolution as well, 4K 1080p resolution. Then you have the frame rate of 60 fps. Then you have a lot of additional options as well, like the smart focus, watermarking option. So these are options in the camera UI. Then we have the multi camera mode. Then you also get additional options here. These are the UI experience on the Honor 200 Pro, so it might vary from device to device. Then you get the portrait mode, night mode, aperture mode. So all these options are included in the camera. So camera UI definitely looks very nice and pretty neatly arranged as well. So those were the features and UI experience of the Honor's Magic OS 8.0. So if you have the device, do try out these features, do have a look at the UI options, and do let us know what you guys think about the Honor's Magic OS 8.0. So that's it for this video. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.